Hello, welcome to MagSafe. Today we're previewing Ferrules and hand swaging machine. Ferrules and hand swager benefits and features. All ferrules made from stainless steel. All ferrules come with an inspection hole. This is so you can see the hose is in the correct position post swage. Hand geared swage machine gives equal force all round. Robust hard wearing painted steel with rubber grip on handle. Machine has no electrical mechanical parts. Each machine comes with ferrule chain so you can easily identify correct ferrule required. Ideal for use with MagSafe rubber alloy or breathing air range of hoses. Please contact us for more details.